Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a beef and spinach fake away. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we're going to take a wok and we're going to put it onto a high heat, and to that we're going to add some avocado oil. Then to that we're going to add some sliced sirloin steak. Now if you pop your steak into the freezer about 30 minutes before you slice it, it is easier to slice. We'll cook that through for 3 to 4 minutes just until it starts to brown. So now that our steak is browned and cooked off, we're going to take it off the wok and we're going to put it into a bowl and just set it to the side. Then we're going to take the wok, and to that then we're going to add some sliced pepper. I've just used yellow, you can use whichever colour you have. Some sliced onion. We'll give that a stir around and we'll cook that for 2 to 3 minutes just until the onion starts to soften and all the flavour comes off the bottom of the wok. Now that that's cooked, we're going to add our washed spinach. We're going to cook that for 2 to 3 minutes just until the spinach starts to wilt. Now that our spinach is wilted, we're going to take that and we're going to set it into the bowl with the beef. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Now to our wok, we're going to add some chicken stock. Then we're going to add some soy sauce. Then some oyster sauce. And then some sesame oil. We'll give that a quick stir around and we'll bring it to the boil. So now that our mixture's boiling, we're going to add a cornflour slurry. So it's just a couple of spoonfuls of cornflour and a couple of spoonfuls of water. Make sure you keep whisking it whenever it goes round so that it doesn't thicken up too much. So now as you can see, our sauce is thickened. It's time to return our beef and our vegetables to the sauce. Now we'll give those a stir around. We'll let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes just until the sauce gets all thickened up more and everything is covered in the sauce. So now that our beef and spinach is fully cooked and warmed through, it's time to serve. I just served mine with some boiled egg noodles, but you could serve yours with some rice, some fried rice, or even over the top of some chips. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.